It's not 60 degrees yet, and I'm not awake yet. I don't know if John's formed a full sentence yet, but we're going fishing! Brook trout? Oh shit! Oh shit! Quick photos!
Okay, move your hands. There you go.
Oh, he's big!
Oh, he's a good one.
Okay, we ventured out at, what is it, 8 o'clock? Just in case there's a fish to be had.
There's a lot of fish to be had.
All right, there's some people going out to catch the big bass, but we already caught them.
We already caught them all.
We got them all.
It's a great day on the pond.
Have we been down this road before?
Oh yeah.
Well, I do it for the beauty of the sport always. It's 105 degrees, and I'm happy. This is not coffee. We're so fortunate to live in Idaho. John and Maria, we are the Idaho Mountain Anglers for Reelers TV. We'll see you next time. We're exhausted, can you tell? We're just gonna say thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Idaho Mountain Anglers for Reelers TV.
See you next time.
That's all you get.
Let's get some, yeah! Hey, is that my beer?
Happy New Year from Idaho Mountain Anglers, and hit that subscribe button and enjoy this next video.